morning. It's another day working on the cabin here in southeastern Kentucky. If you've been following along, we've been building this outdoor kitchen here. So this is for our latest cabin, the tin cantina, and this is the cantina. So we got the whole thing framed. George is up there right now putting a roof on it. Today, I think we're gonna try and get the little bar knee wall framed in here, and then we're gonna start on some railings. Dave will be putting some electric in there to get some lights and a fridge outlet and some other things. And the railings will be really cool. I'm excited for those. I hope we get to them today. Oh, this is also gonna get across the front here. Underneath the roof, it's gonna get like a 3-foot awning that comes back the other way. So this alley between the cabin and the house is gonna be pretty tight and almost totally covered. So rain, sun, all the things. Kind of like having an extension of the living space. Anyway, so we better get some work done. So this morning is kind of a little running around. I went to Menards early. Ray is off putting screens on Erica's gutters. We did those the last trip. She's a property manager, I guess. She helps me take care of the place, cleans and fixes whatever breaks when I'm not here. Dave is unclogging a condensate line on the mini split in the main cabin. And so I'm gonna take advantage of a slow morning here and run into town. I've got to take this little Ranger to the police station. They'll do a search on the VIN number and title because I'm switching it over to a Kentucky vehicle. Not real sure about driving a unlicensed vehicle to the police station, but I'm banking on being able to talk my way out of it. I've got a title and a bill of sale here. We ought to be good. And then I go across the street to the courthouse and get plates. Be back soon. These big flies. Michael, you want to eat? Ah, something just bit me. Don't let go, George, whatever you do. All snugged up? Hey, if you watched the last video, you'll know we had a little interruption for a giveaway. I made these picnic tables with Kyle from Spicer Designs. Well, actually he made them and got sick of having them in his shop, so I went and picked them up and brought them back to mine, and now Kyle, they're in my way. But he made this collaboration plaque, and so anyone who commented in that video is entered to win this. We both signed it. He looks like a professional baseball player. Mine looks like a 3rd grader, but fitting. Anyway, so I thought we'd draw a winner today. If your name is drawn, go ahead and get a hold of me at the email that's in the description here. It's buildlife7@gmail, I think, and we'll get this thing mailed off to you right away. So we have a very sophisticated random comment generator that Jake made. How many? 150? 150, that's pretty good. People commented machine on there. All right, @_RDQUE8274. No idea what your name is, but you won this plaque. Get a hold of me at that email and we'll get it sent off to you right away. Congratulations. I don't feel that I'm currently in the best condition for running a murder saw. Oh, that sucks. All right, so we're gonna put this bottom rail in. We pre-drilled them at home, so they're already ready to receive the spindles, which we made out of 1/2-inch rebar. Should be kind of cool, and that rusty metal vise will fit with the cantina theme. So I set this up to use a 3.5-inch block, just a 2x4 cutoff under each of the bottom rails. All right, well, we got quite a few of these on here. Kind of staying in place. I'm gonna try stapling a couple. I'm a little worried that this stapler, this is a big fencing stapler, big one. I'm a little worried it's gonna blow the board apart by the time we get 30 staples in it. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna mark these out. I was gonna try and make a spacer, but I think I'll just mark 4 inches out. That's what we drilled the bottoms at. And just line them up by hand. Right, Dave? All right, so you can see we got these stapled on and they just drill into the bottom one. Double this up in a top cap. I really kind of like this design, and we got them all stapled out, blowing the 2x4 to bits. Are you waiting to cut? Ooh. Well, that wasn't good. Don't hit it real hard or you'll blow it to pieces. Still my water here. Well, we didn't get any work done on our overhang, but we did get quite a good bit of these railings done. I really like the way they turned out. They're really sturdy. I still got a screw through here. They're just to the posts now. Got one back there in the back porch to do. But I think the next time I see you guys, we'll start getting this overhang done. A couple more railing pieces and that'll be it for the outside here. Got to get some tin siding on. I guess there's still a lot to do, so don't worry, there'll be plenty more videos. See ya.